Now, what exactly is this? I mean, it pretty much speaks for itself. It is a massage gun, but a mini one. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name's Hayden. We have got some more tech to take a look at today, and the brand is Bob and Brad. Now, I did not pay for this out of my own money, but we know the shtick. Even though I haven't paid for it, I always give my honest thoughts and opinions based on my initial experience and first impressions. That being said, today is not a sponsored video. What we are looking at today is the Q2 Pro mini massage gun from the brand Bob and Brad. This retails for $89.99 US, and I will do the conversion down the bottom. Now, what exactly is this? I mean, it pretty much speaks for itself. It is a massage gun, but a mini one. Now, I do believe that there is a heating and cooling function on here, because that tends to make me think that there is cold and hot, which that would be pretty cool if there was. Let's just do a quick rundown of what the little blurb states on the website. Bob and Brad Q2 Pro mini massage gun with heat and cold head. The Bob and Brad Q2 Pro massage gun is a compact portable device that seamlessly integrates heat and cold therapy for advanced post-workout recovery. Featuring a proprietary brushless motor, it delivers powerful deep tissue massage up to 3000 RPM with a vibration amplitude of 7 millimeters. Its 5 adjustable speeds and interchangeable heads provide tailored relief for all muscle groups. Conveniently chargeable via USB-C, the Q2 Pro is the perfect on-the-go solution for immediate pain relief, muscle support, and enhanced recovery. Alright, that was pretty much straight to the point of what it is. Let's not beat around the bush. We're going to open this up and we're going to take a look ourselves. Typical packaging. Matte cardboard, a bit of an embossing situation on the front. I like the case it comes in. You can see the logo, it's branded. Nice and hardy, very compact, like that. Within the case, you can see it comes with a lanyard, a little strap to carry it via. There's double zips. The case itself is kind of feels like canvas, but it's a hard shell. As we open it up, within, I see the manual. I'm assuming charging cables. I see the cable up the top. We have the device and then the various heads. This one in particular is the heat and cold. Now we're going to open up the manual and see if there's any additional information that we could find of use before we dive in and give this a crack. In the manual, what the heads actually do and what they're used for is within here. The ball head, which is this one, for large muscle groups like quads, glutes, extreme muscles, and joint soreness. The air cushion head, the one right next to it, for relaxation of sensitive body parts. The bullet head, some of these I've never actually seen before. This is the bullet head. For joints, deep tissue, trigger points, and small muscle areas like feet and wrists. The U-shape, this particular one, for spine, neck and shoulder, for sensitive muscles and soft tissues. The heat and cold head is for all body parts. And then lastly, rubber sleeves. Each massage head is pre-installed with a rubber sleeve. If it is damaged, please replace it with the provided spare ones. And there were 3 in the manual case that were spare. If the battery indicator is blue on the device, the battery level is above 30%. If it is red, it is between 30 and 20. If it flashes red, the device battery level is below 20% and needs charging. That's interesting and useful. Within the manual, there is a whole bunch of muscle groups and what direction you should be using the gun to release. That's useful. Taking it out of its plastic sleeve, it says directly on here, cannot power on when charging, but also on the back of it, long press power button, 2 to 3 seconds to turn on, green light off when fully charged. I like the feel of the body of it. It's got a sleek rubber feeling and it does look like it's got some charge in it. You can hear it started going off on the back. There are 5 little LED lights in here and that's at 2. You can see the power symbol. On the bottom of it is the charging port and this is the receptacle for the massage head. I like that it fits directly in your palm. As you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of space. There is a little bit of weight to it, but it's not super heavy and super bulky, you 100% because of the travel case could pack this into a suitcase or into your work bag and it wouldn't take up much space. The heating and cooling head comes with a sticker on top which states, "Attention, please remove the protective film before use." We will do that. I am most interested to see what this is like, the heating and cooling. It's just a metal disc on top. This has its own charging port, a USB-C, and there are two buttons, snowflake and waves for heat, and you just hold it in. You can see the little waves. Hold in the other one and cooling. And when you do that, a little fan goes off and it's instantly getting cold. That's wild. That just inserts directly in like that and away we go. That's really cold. Let's try out the heat. Really doesn't take long for it to start switching up the temperatures. There is definite heat coming from it. I can see how this could be used for after exercise. Yeah, that's nice. That's very soothing. And then it just comes straight out like so. Pull it straight out. Now I do have another one of these, a bigger one, but it takes up so much room. This will be most definitely a lot more convenient. We got the bullet head. I like how the heads themselves have like a rubberized finish, except for obviously the one with a metal disc on top. Yeah, that feels good. And I was wrong. These LED lights it's not the indication of the battery. It is the level, and that's the highest, 6. It feels sturdy, it feels quality, and it sounds quality. We got the ball. I don't think I've ever seen an air cushion head before. I see that. It takes out some of the intensity of the vibration, in my opinion. At least that's what I'm feeling. And then lastly, the U-shape. I always think that these ones feel the most odd. And that wraps up all of them that we've tried out. On the charging cable, there is a little picture here, and it demonstrates what a USB-C is and a USB-A. This particular one, there is a Velcro strap in the center, keeps it nice and neat and tidy. There is a USB-C on one, USB-A on one end and a USB-C on the other. Now I miscounted the LED lights. The one down the very bottom is a little lightning symbol, so that is the actual battery. So if we remember back to what I was saying before, if it is blue, which it is, it's above 30% charge. My first impressions, I really like it. The fact that it is super compact, it 100% is easy to carry around. It's not super heavy, but it feels quality. And more importantly, it sounds quality. We know you've picked up massage guns before and it sounds like it's in like an old car. It's just going to fall apart if you continue to use it. This is not the case. I will link this all down below. If you end up picking it up for yourself, let me know what your experience is. I'm going to let my partner Adam have a crack at this because he constantly has neck issues and muscle strains in his neck, because I know he's going to love it. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure you do the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.